Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to find the sum of the series. So this is the sum of the series. In a variable s, we are going to store the value x power 0, that is 1, x power 1 equal to x square, x cube up to x power n. The value for the variable x and the power range n to be obtained from the user as the input value. For this, we are going to write a program. We will see the demo. Variable x equal to float of input of, in the input statement I am giving a string, enter value of x. During the execution, input statement display the string enter value of x in the user's console. When user enter the value, input statement receives it as a string. The float function convert it as a floating point value and storing it in the variable x. Next, variable n equal to integer of input of, in the double quotation, enter value of n. I am giving a parenthesis for x double star n. Here the input statement display enter value of n. N is a power. That is a power range from 0 to up to n. We have to calculate the x power value. So here I am giving additional explanation in the parenthesis. So here I am using n for x power n. Double star stands for power. Next I am initializing a variable s equal to 0. I am writing a for loop for a in range n plus 1 colon. For is a keyword for the for loop. The range function generate a list from 0 to n. The loop variable take the value one by one from 0 in the first iteration, 1 in the second iteration and n in the nth iteration. The in operator helps this for the purpose. Next I am going to write the body of the loop. Here s equal to existing value of s plus x double star a. So the loop will go from 0 to n. So x power 0 to x power n, all the values are added in the variable s. Next I am printing the result. Print sum of first followed by the variable n followed by a string terms followed by a colon followed by the variable s. So here what will happen? The print statement will print sum of first is a string, comma, the value of the variable n, comma, the string terms followed by s. So sum of first n terms, which is equal to the value of the variable s, that is from the addition of x power 0 to x power n. Now I will explain the logic. For x, I am giving the value 2. For n, I am giving the value 4. Here I am giving n plus 1, that is 5. So in this case, the range function will generate a list from 0 to n. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be in the list. So, in the loop, first A will take the value 0. It will calculate existing value of S, that is 0, plus X double star A, that is 2 power 0, that is 1 will get calculated. In the next iteration, A will take the value 1. It will come inside the body and calculate. From the existing value of 2 power 0, it will calculate 2 power 1. A's value is 1. So 1 plus 2 power 1 equal to 2. In the next iteration, A will take the value 2. So existing value of 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1, it will calculate the value 2 square and add it. So 2 square, which is equal to 4. The next iteration, A will take the value 3 plus 2 cube. Existing value of 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and 2 square will add 2 cube. So I am adding 2 cube equal to 8. The next iteration, A will take the value 4 plus 2 power 4. Here I am adding 16. So the list is over. The loop will come out and print the result. So what is the value here? 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 15 plus 16 equal to 31 will be the output. Now we are going to execute the program and check the result. So the value of X is 2. Value of N I am giving 4. So my output, sum of first 4 terms, which is 31. So that is done by the print statement. Sum of first is a string followed by N value I have given 4, followed by the string terms, followed by the value of S, which is 31. It is printing sum of first 4 terms colon 31. I am adding a colon. Now we will execute the program and give some other value. Enter the value of X. I am giving 4. Enter the value of N. I am giving 10. So first 10 terms, sum of first 10 terms, that is 4 power 0 to 4 power 10, that is 1398101.0 is the value. The program is working perfectly. It will work properly for any value. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.